Hello students, good morning. Today is my 22nd online lecture class of class 9 geography, and today I will again revise the chapter 2, the physical features of India. Topic is the major physiographic division. As I told you earlier, there are the physical features of India, that is the Himalaya mountain, the northern plain, the Peninsula Plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, and the islands. There are 6 physiographic divisions of our country. Then today I will explain the first physical feature, that is the Himalaya mountain. The physical features of India, that is I am telling about the Himalaya mountain. The Himalaya mountain is categorized into 3 ranges, into 3 parts. It is situated in the northern part of our country, and it is in arc shape. Okay, and it is spread from in the northwest from Jammu Kashmir to the Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The Himalaya, geologically it is young and structurally fold mountain. It stretches over the northern borders of India. This mountain range run in a west-east direction from the Indus to Brahmaputra. The Himalaya represent the loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain barrier of the world. It means it act as a barrier for our country. It protects us from our enemies and from the cold winds that is coming from the Central Asia in winter. And it is also responsible for the monsoon rain in our country. And I already told you, it is an arc shape which cover a distance of about 2400 kilometer. You can say arc shape or in a sword shape, SWORD, sword shape, तलवार की भांति इसका आकार है. तो it is stretches from northwest to east, that is 2400 kilometer, but the width varies from 400 kilometer in Kashmir to 150 kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. The altitudinal variation are greater in the eastern half than there in the western half. The Himalaya consists of 3 parallel ranges. See here. The first ranges, that is the Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and the Shivalik. There are 3 ranges, 3 parts of the Himalayas. Okay, that is Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and Shivalik. We also call this Greater Himalaya Himadri or Inner Himalaya, and this Middle Himalaya we can also say the Himachal. It is called Himachal, and Shivalik, it is known as Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. Now see next one. A number of valleys lies between these ranges. The northernmost range is known as Greater Himalaya. Now see about the Greater Himalaya. I am telling you about this range, Greater Himalaya. Great or Inner Himalaya or the Himadri. It is the most continuous range consisting of the loftiest peaks with the average height of 6,000 meter. It contains all the prominent Himalayan peaks. The fold of the Great Himalaya are asymmetrical in nature. ऐसे मीन्स ये उबड़ खाबड़ हैं ये. The core of this part of the Himalaya is composed of granite rock and it is perennially snowbound. सालों भर बर्फ से ढके रहते हैं ये पार्ट ग्रेटर हिमालय. एंड नंबर ऑफ ग्लेशियर्स डिसेंड फ्रॉम दिस रेंज. कई सारे ग्लेशियर यहाँ से होकर नीचे बहते हैं. क्लियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, द मिडिल हिमालय. द मिडिल पार्ट of the Himalaya, that is the middle Himalaya, or you can lesser Himalaya, or you can say the Himachal. The range lying to the south of Greater Himalaya or Himadri forms the most rugged mountain system and is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. These ranges are composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. The altitude varies between the 3700 and 4500 मीटर. इसकी जो ऊंचाई है, इनके अंदर जो पहाड़ियाँ पाई जाती है, इनकी ऊंचाई 3700 से 4500 मीटर ऊंचाई वाले पहाड़ी पाए जाते हैं और इनकी औसत चौड़ाई एवरेज विड्थ इज ऑफ 50 किलोमीटर. जो चौड़ाई होती है, जो विड्थ है, ये 50 किलोमीटर की है. वाइल दी पीर पंजाल रेंज फॉर्म्स द लॉन्गेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रेंज. इस मिडिल हिमालय का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट रेंज है पीर पंजाल. उसके अलावा धौलाधर और महाभारत रेंज भी पाए जाते हैं. और ऑल्सो प्रोमिनेंट रेंजेस. द रेंज कंसिस्ट ऑफ फेमस वैली ऑफ कश्मीर, द कांगड़ा, द कुल्लू इन द हिमाचल प्रदेश. हमने बहुत सी घाटी सुनी है, कुल्लू, मनाली, कश्मीर की घाटी, ये मिडिल हिमालय में पाई जाती है. दिस रीजन्स इज वेल नोन फॉर द हिल स्टेशंस. गर्मियों में लोग पर्यटक यहाँ पे घूमने जाते हैं. द लास्ट रेंजेस, दैट इज द शिवालिक रेंज. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज आउटर हिमालय. द outermost range of the Himalaya is called Shivalik. They extend over a width of 10 to 50 किलोमीटर. इसकी जो चौड़ाई है शिवालिक रेंज की, ये 10 से 50 किलोमीटर की औसत चौड़ाई पाई जाती है. एंड हैव एन अल्टीट्यूड वेरिंग बिटवीन 900 to 1100 मीटर. और यहाँ पे जो पहाड़ी पाई जाती है, इसकी औसत ऊंचाई 900 से 1100 मीटर की है. These ranges composed of unconsolidated sediments brought down by the rivers from the Himalayan ranges. यहाँ पे बहुत से अवसाद जो यहाँ पे जमे हुए मिलते हैं नीचे, ये ऊपर जो है ग्रेटर हिमालय से नदी बहा के लाके यहाँ पे जमा करती है. And these valleys are covered with thick gravel एंड एल्यूवियम. मोटे मोटे कंकड़ पत्थर और उपजाऊ मिट्टी लाके जमा करती है. द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वैली Now see the topic. The Longzhou Valley that lying between the lesser Himalaya and शिवालिक. यहाँ देखिए बच्चों, ध्यान दो यहाँ पर, जो मिडिल हिमालय और शिवालिक के बीच में यहाँ पे जो घाटी पाई जाती है उसे हम लोग दून कहते हैं. ऐसा आपने नाम सुना है, देहरादून, कोटली दून, पाटली दून, ये सब दून्स है. It means the longitudinal valley which lying between the middle Himalaya and Shivalik, that is called Dun. उसे दून कहते हैं. Example, Dehradun, Kotli Dun and Patli Dun are some of the well known duns. Okay students, thank you today forever.